Hi everyone, this is me, Audra, Jameson, and Landry. Come here. Landry! Oh wait, sorry, you can't see Landry. And we like art. My favorite part of the museum, my favorite art of the museum is the big Monet picture. Jameson, what's yours?
Mine is the knight. What?
Mine is the night too.
The mummies.
And Landry's is the knights.
See, this one too that
I hope
lost.
you liked our favorite things
Put it down.
of
And please don't hang up.
favorite
I hope you like this video.
Bye.
No, not yet,
And
not
stop.
yet, not yet, not yet.
Okay.
Not yet.
I'm 7, Jameson 6, and Landry's 3, but you can't see her. It's like she's
right
invisible.
here.
Say bye.